Cupcake.
Hey, Bernie.
What are we doing today?
That's my line.
Oh, that is your line.
What are we doing today, Bernie?
Well, this is our 1991 Ford F350 4x4 brush truck. It's got a little under 20,000 original miles. Today it has 19,554 and almost a tenth at the moment. So let's take it out. Backup alarm test. Take it out for a run through the gears. All right. Ford big block 7.5 liter for you metric guys and gals, or for old school cubic inch dudes, 460. Nice solid brakes, a little strong into the corner here. C6 auto, bulletproof. What a nice solid truck. Not going to be late to a fire in this rig. Woo! Oh, Cupcake, we've got power assisted front disc brakes. Let's go for a quick off-road.